share the heaviness? Oh, won't you just share? You say I love you, say I'm here to say I'll pick you off the ground. I wouldn't have it any other way now. And if all my things were broken and all I had left was you, I'd give you all my kisses and a